So the next one I'm going to do is, it's not actually a repotting or anything. It's actually more to try and salvage the life out of a plant. I'm going to be honest, this plant is all sorts of screwed up, and this is a Monstera Standleyana, beautiful plant, but man, I'm telling you now, I think I screwed it up somehow. I don't know what happened, but regardless, I've had a lot of death from it, like dead vines, so it's not exactly in the healthiest shape possible, and yeah, a bit disappointing, and some of my pothos suffered as well. So what I did was I just completely restarted them, because sometimes that's all you can do, is just completely restart something. Oop, watered on the bench, and now shit everywhere. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to dismantle this, completely dismantle it, and I'm going to cut up the pieces, and I'm going to propagate it in water. Okay, so all this dirt that I discard, I don't ever throw them out. Yeah, I actually keep them. They're going to go in the bottom of my raised bed that I'm going to have at the end of the year, the start of next season, for tomatoes. So no point of wasting soil and mass for no reason. Okay, I think I'm just going to cut this because it's just annoying. I'm trying to preserve the wire that cost 2 cents. What am I doing? The Chinese is coming out. The Chinese is coming out and trying to skip these pennies, and I'm like, okay, that's just stupid, as Trump would say, stupid. Okay, so stupid people. Okay, so this is a bit of a heartbreaking thing, because as you saw in my video, I put a lot of effort into this, but now it's foobar. So I'm gonna have to literally start this again from scratch. So how I'm gonna do that? Complete and utter destruction. Complete and utter destruction. Everything must go. Everything must go. See, look at that. Shit's just rotting away. Like the leaves are dying. So something has gone wrong in this repot. The roots are dead. Okay, so that's why. The roots are all dead. Something happened. The thing is that I didn't overwater this, or I didn't underwater this. The soil right now is actually just moist. It's not even dry. But I don't know what happened. I cannot explain. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to literally butcher them and try to save it. Okay, so I'm going to kill the runners because that's useless. And okay, see, look, even the nodes and the roots and the nodes are dead. So cut that off. Okay, so there's some nodes here that I think I can save. Okay, so I'm going to just try to... yeah, I don't even know where to start. I don't even know. I'll try to put that in water and see what happens. The roots are dead. So something has gone wrong with my transplanting. Okay. I think I can save this part here. There's a few roots. Just, yeah. Let's see what happens. Yeah, look at that. Just rot. So something happened. I screwed it up. Something happened. Really heartbreaking, but that's okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it looks like there's a new growth coming there. So let's okay, so this is a nice little vine here. You can see it's a limp. It's like a limp peepee, and it's really quite. So I'm going to just let that sit in water and see if it can grow. But frustrating. Yeah, like all dead. That's all dead. It's a lot of nodes there. So it's not completely dead. I think I can salvage this, but it'll take a whole season, and I'll keep you in the loop of how I do this. Yeah, so when I'm cutting it, some of the branches are quite soft, so clearly it's suffered somewhat. So this one here, that'll sit nicely. 2 roots. I'm going to take off the leaf. Going to be quite brutal about it. I think I can salvage this whole bit, but yeah, there's a nice root there. So now I'm going to a phase where I'm just cutting the leaves off. The more roots I can expose to water, the more it'll grow roots, and the faster it is, it'll adjust next time. I mean, this is kind of foobar too, but oh man, look at that, it's all dried. But I'm going to try. Oh look, there's a new growth there. So it's a new growth. That'll be worth putting into water. Nah, that's dead. Okay, look. I mean, some of these roots look like they could be dead, but it might revive when you put them in water and they get a bit of, you know. There. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So look at that. Look at all that shit. Ah, what a shame. What a shame. But all of this is not going to go to waste. This is going to go into another holding pot, and I'm going to just use it as the base of the next season for tomatoes. So okay. All right. Well, there you go. There's my Standleyana attempt number 2. I'm going to wash this and I'm going to put them in water, see what happens.